Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you things you must consider before promote affiliate product with paid traffic via Facebook ads. Before I start today's video, we have a giveaway. So if you comment below on my recent video, I will give you pre-coupon codes for my email marketing course that course on Udemy, so you can win this coupon code and get it for free. So just comment on this video and next week I will announce the winner. So let's start today's video. The first thing you must do is warm up your account. So most of affiliate marketers try to create new Facebook page and create new Facebook business account, then run Facebook ads to promote their affiliate URL, but that is a wrong approach to promote affiliate product on Facebook, because you must warm up your accounts before run affiliate promotions on your account. Basically you can complete your Facebook profile A to Z and add your website to the Facebook page. Also you can add privacy policy and contact URL to your page. Not only that, you can share some contents before run Facebook ad. Most importantly, after you completely create your Facebook account, you can run some page like campaigns. So at first you have to spend some money to run page like campaigns, because you have to build the trust with Facebook. And when you run few campaigns to grow your Facebook page and successfully make payments for those campaigns, Facebook will start to trust your branded account or trust your business account. So after you warm up your account, you will be able to promote the affiliate product. But if you don't warm up your account will get banned within few days or few weeks. So always try to warm up your account before promote any affiliate product. The second thing you must consider is create a funnel to collect emails. So if you just create a simple landing page and promote it via Facebook ad and send traffic to that landing page, you will not able to collect emails of visitors who visit your landing page by checking your Facebook ad. So downside of this is, if you don't collect those emails, you will not able to target those people again and again. That means you just waste your money, because you only allow those visitors to come to your website at once, and after they come to your website and go to the affiliate product, there are a high chance that they not like to. So you have to collect their emails and send follow-up message to change their mind and finally buy the item. So this is a huge mistake. Always try to create funnel to collect emails and promote the product via follow-up emails. So you will able to get more sales by doing this method. The third thing you must consider is read the Facebook ads policy. So if you violate any of those policies, you will not able to recover your business account and you will not able to run any ads using your business account. So if you want to protect your business account, you must check the Facebook ads policies before you run any campaigns. I will put link on description to Facebook ads policies, and read the policies and understand what you can and what you can't do with Facebook ads. The fourth thing you must consider is you have to try different methods. That means you have to try different type of Facebook ads. So you can use lookalike audience, or you can use keywords, and you can change the banners of the ad, and you can try different devices, or you can try Facebook ads or Instagram ad, and there are a lot of variations of ads you can create with Facebook ad. So always try to create few of those ad set and find what ad set is the converting best and keep run that ad set and kill other ad set. So this is a really important way to find the correct way to promote your affiliate product. The next thing you must consider is don't even try to create Facebook ads if you have only limited budget, because at first you have to do lot of testing before you make any sales. So if you don't have a high budget, if you don't have budget to spend at least $100 per day, don't try to create Facebook ads. If you create Facebook ads with low budget, you will just donate your money to Facebook and you will not gain any result. So I am telling this from my experience. So if you don't have high budget, don't try to promote Facebook ads. The next and final thing you must consider is checking the analytics of your ad sets. So if you just create an ad set and hope you will get some orders or hope you will get some sales, you will not able to make any sales, because you have to check analytics and change your budget, change your keywords, add banners and make other changes to your Facebook ad set. So you always have to check the analytics and find the high converting ad set and kill other ad sets, because all ad set will not work as you expected. So you have to check those analytics and find the high converting ad set. So those are the things you must consider before run any paid advertisement on Facebook ads. I hope you get valuable information, and I hope you will not donate your money to Facebook and you will able to gain lot of sales by optimizing